Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you of how you can add the windscreen wash liquid to the Mercedes 2016 C-Class. First of all, what you do, you open the bonnet from the inside and then this just pops up, and then from here it's got a little button, you push it up. The windscreen wash that I am using is this one, high performance screen wash. You can use the one that you mix up with water, but this, as you can see, is it says here ready to use. It's a car essential, ideal for electric vehicles, helps prevent freezing, suitable for all vehicles, used all year round. So this is the one that I got. It's high performance, it's recommended by AA as well. And without further ado, what you do is keep this with you ready, and this over here is where the liquid goes. Your one will be closed, but my one for some reason is open, so you just open that there. And bear with me guys, I'm just trying to do this with the one hand, bear with me. You grab the bottle and then you just pour it in there, like so. I would say just keep going. Pour it all in. It's already mixed with water, so there's no need to be worried about that. It's not too strong for the glass, for the window screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour it all in. Be careful so it doesn't spill out, but it should be fine. There you go. And that's how you add the high performance screen wash to your Mercedes C-Class 2.2 2016. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and share the video. Thank you.